Hi, my name is Sajid Ajmal and I'm affiliated with this company Quick Start Intelligence since last 5 months. Today, the topic of my demonstration is how to set custom level permissions in SharePoint Server 2016. The first step we will do is open the intranet portal of my organization, that is Contoso. So let's just open it in the Internet Explorer. The URL is this. I will provide my credentials for that. After this site opens, we will first go to the site settings and customize the custom permission levels. We will first create the custom permission levels based on our requirements. In order to do that, first we will go to the settings, then site settings, and then site permissions. Under site permissions, we will go to the permission levels. After going to the permission levels, we will create a new permission level by clicking on add a permission level. You can name your permission level based on your requirement. I am naming it as usage monitors. Description, you can specify the description, whatever description you want to specify. And after that, you have to select view web analytics data, view reports on website usage. After you have selected this checkbox, click on create button. Your custom site level permission will be created. Once this custom site level permission level is created, you go to the site settings again and go to the people and groups. In people and groups page, go to groups, and in groups all the existing groups will be displayed. Over here you will select a new group that you will create for the usage monitors, and our group name will be usage monitors. After that, select usage monitors, which we created the permission level in our previous step, and then click on create. Once you click on create, your usage monitor group will be created. Now what you have to do, you have to specify which people can access this permission. So in order to do that, what you will do, you will click on usage monitors. After clicking on usage monitors, click new and share with any member of your organization with whom you want to share this permission level. I have a person named Martha, so I'm going to share it with him. Martha. After writing the name, click on share, and then you will see that this group which has Martha Hayes is added. And now what you will do, you will go to the site, which is sharepoint.contoso.com, to see whether this person has the rights or not. We will go to the new system, that is database system. Go to sharepoint.contoso.com. The URL is this. We will provide the credentials for that. After providing the credentials, we can see that this site is accessible when you are logged in as an administrator. But what about if we logged in with Marta credentials? So let's sign out from over here and log in via Marta credentials. So I'm going to sign out as an administrator. I will use the Marta credentials. That is Contoso, Marta, password. Okay. Now we will access the internet portal site of Contoso and see if Marta has the rights to view the site or not. HTTP sharepoint.contoso.com. You provide recommended settings. Okay, this. Okay, over here we will provide the credentials for Marta and see if we can access the site or not. Let's wait for the site. Okay, use recommended settings. Press OK. Sorry, this site has not been shared with you. Probably Marta does not have access to this site. So what about the usage monitor web page which we want to access? Let's try with that. Hopefully we can access it, but let me warn you and inform you beforehand that we won't be able to actually view the web page because we have to enable the uh, summary of content of different web pages and statistics in the list permissions where we define the list permissions. So let me show you how we cannot access this web page. The URL is underscore layout and usage. Probably some typing error. It's usage. Sorry, this site has not been shared with you. Okay, in order to fix this problem, we need to enable list permission to access the web page. To do that, we will go back to the SharePoint server, and over here, we will go back to the site settings. In the site settings, we will go to the site permissions, permission levels. Under permission levels, we will go to usage monitors. In the usage monitors, in the list permissions, we will select view application pages, view forms, views and application pages option. Once we select this, we will click on submit. Once we are done with that, we will go back to the database server machine, and then we will access the site again over here. Let's try HTTP Marta. Okay, probably the error of URL. URL error. All right. So this is the URL, and now we will run this URL, Marta, and the password is, let's wait for a few minutes. Here, the web page is available in front of us, and we can view the summary of different activities. Like we can view the storage, the number of users, or activity, total hits. Remember that we can only view this summarized page because we have not provided the root access to Marta of this web page. We have only provided the access to view the analytics report. That's why it is not showing the complete web page. I hope this video is easily understandable, and I will upload more videos soon. Thank you so much.